There is no doubt that time stands still each and every time India and Pakistan. Fans from every corner of the world are glued to their television sets from storied rivalry as India A are set to take on Pakistan A in this walloped UAE in their opening encounter. Pakistan A did the same to Oman. Well, the toss in the middle was won by Pakistan and Irfan Khan Niaz. We were also informed Vaibhav Suryavanshi will walk out into the middle. Then will come left arm wrist spin. And of course, Shahid Aziz, the all-rounder, would also be. And so they walk out with much fervour. They walk out. We know what to expect. The emotions will be where scores have gone past 200. Who knows? We might get...
If able, for the national anthems of India and Pakistan.
It is time for this momentous match to begin, but before that...
And Pakistan have won the toss and elected to bowl, whereas this pitch... With me, what do you think of the pitch and the decision that Pakistan has taken?
I think, but this surface is not the surface that we've seen so far in this tournament.
Precious talent. There's one in Pakistan as well who's been handed the new ball and as India A and Pakistan A were poised to take on each rather.
Yeah, you could put it to pressure as well. This is what he's trying to tell his teammates and the umpire. There.
And the cool head once more. He's ready to take strike. High and wide! And a boundary on the field!
And I was just thinking, what does he think when he goes into bat? I spent some time on the surface. There was room outside the off stump. That's an indication that he's going to play his natural game. This is what he...
Nice to flash it once. Young 14-year-old. But if you look at him, if you see him...
And that is why he keeps performing, because he recently went to Australia with the Indian. Fought them quickly, even if there were test matches.
Change of pace. You could see some deviation off the pitch.
You'll see a lot of slower deliveries bowled by Ubaid Shah.
That in itself lets you know that you will never get into the rhythm at the start because I still didn't have any specs on my face.
Amazing. Amazing.
We'll get to
him. But he didn't play that shot right, otherwise it would have gone. My mom, it doesn't really matter. She said, you score 100, you score a duck. It doesn't really expect a lot from you. His dad is his coach.
Has had a very good start. Yes, he went for to get the right line and length and has prompted a change in field. Was short, well watched. At the age of 14 years and 32 days, has the second fastest IPL 100 to his name. Aziz into the attack, starts with a full toss. My side, who also has that youthful exuberance back in...
Bedi sir got impressed with me. Shahid Aziz, 32 wickets. Just reading about his records, 12 years and 284 days. This is what I want to do. I'm in the middle with the Bishan Singh Bedi.
Doing at 14, you should have asked yourself that question.
I till date asked.
Aziz with that express pace.
We saw his strike rate. He scored. Suryavanshi has scored them at 241. The strike rate.
Chipped in the air. The field. Yasir there.
Easiest of spin. That was a slower delivery. There. Yeah, there you go. This is when I say the batter
If it's gripping for the fast bowlers, imagine when the spinners come in.
To flight a little bit. If you try and bowl flat.
Slashes at it. One more, yet enough.
Doesn't really matter. They say when you're going to slash. He's a smart cricketer. He knows far. In the 3 days that I've been doing commentary, if I praise somebody.
Shortish. Not this. There will be a boundary check for it though. Ubaid with the second.
Both these batters. But what I really like, outside edge,
It's been a good start for India A, there is no doubt about it. But there is enough.
I think this is a good surface for cricket, especially if
This match, the pitch was a belter. Seems pretty even, Stevens. And
this is what international cricket is all about, challenges. And how
Obed. It's been a good start.
I think this is a good surface for cricket. This is what international cricket is all about, challenges.
Clever by Obed.
Obed's looked very impressive in the first game also, the way he was bowling. He's got a lovely...
I was just about to say, it runs in the family. There are 3 fast bowlers, all competing in Sri Lankan international. And Mahmood Khan. Upish. One. Thank God it didn't time it. And you could, if you can lip read, he's saying that the
Saw that was a slower delivery as well, so the bowlers also realized of the slower deliveries from the faster bowlers.
course correction.
He's got time to play shots. Again a slower delivery. What was coming? He was ready for it. Look at that time.
You know his innings without loss. Shahid Aziz is well as well.
Yeah, 2 batters bat. Wasn't much in there. He knew where he was playing it. He knew where the fielder was.
Captain and bowler. And a change in field. Top edge. This could be the first scalp, and it is. Ahmed is walking back.
You got all the shots in the world. To the boundary as well. Which was a slower delivery again. Well judged. Riyan Sharia gone for 10. 30 for 1.
Scores at a strike rate of 165. Has 150 as well.
Yeah, 2 batters bat. Wasn't much in there. He knew where he was playing it. He knew where the fielder was.
Captain and bowler. And a change in field. Top edge. This could be the first scalp, and it is. Ahmed is walking back.
You got all the shots in the world. To the boundary as well. Which was a slower delivery again. Well judged. Riyan Sharia gone for 10. 30 for 1.
Scores at a strike rate of 165. Has 150.